We live in an absolutely amazing time when it comes to retro gaming. For example, we have a Sega Dreamcast from Japan, but I cannot plug it into my wall socket here due of the difference in voltages. But what we can do is replacing the PSU with another one from AliExpress, and that is what we're going to do today's video. The next thing that we're going to do is replacing the PSU before going to powering on. I cannot use it as is, so we're just going to remove it. We're going to remove the couple of barkers that's holding everything in place. There we go. So when it comes to the PSU, I think it's one of the better solutions. And again, like I can replace it with an European old power supply. But let's be honest, these things are quite a little old now. The capacitor still looks very nice. All of them look very well. But it will be a matter of time if these things are going to be prone to failing. It's not going to be tomorrow, but it will come eventually. So let's very gently lift it up. This clip needs to be removed. I'll be very careful. There we go. We can keep the plastic, we can remove the plastic. I think we're not going to need this anymore. And what I love about these things is just plug it in. It's super easy. Another thing is that we have even option for adding new fans. If you want to do upgrades, there are many different things you can do with this. So we're just going to plug it in here. That's so easy. Okay, let's go and be checking it out. There we go. Slide it in. We're only going to need one original screw. Yep, there we go. And just to keep this thing in place. Attempt number 2. And there we go. Let's tighten it up. Alright, that's it. I need to be very careful that it doesn't push this PCB way too far down. The next thing that we need to do is getting the extension cord, because this thing is going to be in here. Click it in here. Sometimes you need to reassemble the nuts. And of course this piece of plastic. I think there was differences between the plastic, so double check it when you're going to order this one. Alright, so let's slide it in. Alright, so basically one of the first part has been assembled. The next thing we need to do is plug in the main board over here. And everything has been assembled. That's it. Okay, next thing that we can do is basically getting a little bit better wiring going on over here. You can just mess around with it if you want to. Don't push it too hard, but that's it. Okay, everything has been cleaned. It doesn't look perfect, but it's always better than the filthy case it was before. Alright, next thing we need to do is closing it up. Be very gentle. If it doesn't flow up, we're going to need to double check it because something is wrong. Something is not going right. There we go. Another thing I also do is cleaning the cables. Look at this, how filthy my cloth is. It's a brand new cloth only for this freaking cable. That's the thing I just wanted to show you all. It's cleaning cables is not a crazy idea. I want to share this moment of truth with you guys. Powering on. The laser did move. Double check. Yep. That's great. So right, let's take a close look at some gameplay. The system has been running for, I think, a couple of hours now. And everything seems to be working just fine. I have this game in my collection called Expendable. I'm just gonna be honest, I have never played this game before, so let's try it for once. And the reason why is because I had this Sega Dreamcast laying around. I just needed to do the unboxing and modifying with you guys. You get some Contra vibes over here. It's so cool that we can get so many new upgrades for your old systems. Sega Dreamcast is one of them. Let me know in the comments what you think of a PSU mod like this. Would you consider doing it? Thank you for watching. It would be great if you subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and check out the links in the description if you want to find the stuff that I have used in this video.